Terrified of pruning plants? Oddly enough, starting and growing your own topiary may be the best cure. Hi, this is Louis. Welcome back to Acorn Hill. Although topiaries look difficult, they are remarkably easy and can be superb confidence builders. I've grown topiaries for quite a while now, and of course I'm not talking about the elephant from evergreen variety, which takes more than a little skill to do, but rather an elegant, simple globe from a single straight stem or 2 or 3 globes. Small topiaries are considerably more versatile and highly ideal for either indoor or outdoor applications. Any plant that can live longer than a year and has a woody stem can be grown as a topiary. The most common one is the boxwood. Any kind of boxwood can be very expensive, and so for my taste, I had to think of a substitute that has a growing pattern similar to a boxwood, and the compact Japanese holly fits the bill for me. To have the best looking, happiest, healthiest topiary, consider several elements when choosing the plant. First, where will it live? The amount of light and the range of day and night temperatures will affect my options. Since the elegance of the topiary depends not only on how well it has been grown, but also on its balance and poise, the size of the leaves and the height of the stem should be appropriate to the final size of the standard. And proportion is definitely key when it comes to this brief. With all of this in mind, the Japanese compact holly is perfect for this project. So how did I start building and shaping this store-bought evergreen shrub? I designated the main stems coming from the root ball of the plant, from which I trimmed off the lower branches up to the bottom of the designated sphere. Buying an already established oval-shaped plant is the easy part. Shaping the plant will be twofold. The first part is making sure that each stem is well separated by removing all the little branches, as I am doing in this clip right here. It's slightly challenging as there are small branches that are intertwined in and amongst the main branches that are coming off from the root ball. And this is when using fine tip snips would really help a lot. And as we can see clearly from the clip, we can now see early stages of this topiary. After finishing with the stems of the plant, we now move into shaping the sphere of the topiary. Using a pair of sharp pruners, I began lightly shearing the foliage part of the boxwood. This will promote dense, healthy foliar growth. Shearing also maintains shape, keeping the topiary looking as though it just left the plant conservatory. The good thing about this type of boxwood is that one can determine exactly what shape they want in the beginning and maybe change the shape up along the growing cycle of the evergreen. Boxwood is an incredible versatile plant that's perfect for trimming into live topiaries. Shapes can vary, including balls, spiral, and much more. The best time to trim is in late spring, which encourages the development of side shoots. When pruning, the old adage, the right tool for the right job, applies. Always use very sharp blades. This will mean that the stems and the leaves are cut cleanly and not crushed. Fall is the best time for me not only to do planting projects but also in purchasing these plants. As you can see, I was able to purchase 4 individual boxwoods, different sale items, different price points, but what I've done is I planted them in terracotta pots, which I plan on building as a collection. The basic care and maintenance principles of plants in pots is what I am applying to these boxwoods. Watering them regularly on a schedule is essential. Terracotta is porous, and the more it sits out in an open environment like this, the more terracotta and the planting medium dries out. Another thing to remember is regular fertilizing. Regular watering will allow all the nutrients in the potting soil to leach out over time. To maintain a healthy growing environment for the soil inside the pot, what I use is all-purpose liquid fertilizer every 2 weeks. This was a patio that I built in the summer. I built this initially so that I could have my Adirondack chair sit on top of it. Adding a set of individually potted topiaries of varying heights not only gives it color, but it also adds a lot more texture to the side of the Adirondack bench. Growing topiaries puts any gardener in good company. The ancient Egyptians grew them, the Romans improved upon the craft, fell out of style during the medieval times, and was revived during the Renaissance. From Italy, the practice moved and was taken up by the French and English estate gardeners. Topiaries can be complex or simple, but either way, they are a step up from the ordinary houseplant. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to Acorn Hill if you haven't already for more DIY content coming up. This is Louie, pruning and shaping topiaries, and we'll see you back here on Acorn Hill. Bye-bye.